Hi there. In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can recall an email in Zoho Mail. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that your undo send feature is enabled, and this will help you retract emails sent by mistake before the recipient reads them. So first, enable undo send under the settings, which you can find right here. Click this setting gear right here, and then look for compose and scroll down a little until you see this undo interval option. So what you will have to do is basically just you will just have to check it, and then you will just have to uh click the undo within the time window that you want to set. So for example, you would want to set it as 14 or 15 or whatever number that you prefer, and basically you will just have to check it, and then your preferences will be updated by then. And after that, you will just have uh, to make sure that the email will be stopped from sending so that you will be allowed to edit or discard it when you use this feature. So that's basically just it, and I hope that this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.